Spotlight on Brazil.
Croatia.
Team profile.
Croatia will line up at the finals for the fourth time, having only ever failed to qualify on one occasion since entering international football in the 90s. This time round, the Croatians qualified by the European playoffs, beating Iceland 2-0 over 2 legs, having finished runners-up to Belgium in their qualifying group. Former national team captain Niko Kovac was promoted from under-21 coach to manage the senior side less than a year ago, and his team's reward for reaching the finals is the honour of kicking off the first match against hosts Brazil. Croatia will also face Cameroon and Mexico in Group A, and will hope star striker Mario Mandzukic takes his Bayern Munich form with him to South America, with Real Madrid's Luka Modric also key to their hopes of making an impact.
What a finish that was from Luka Modric!
Spotlight on Brazil.
Croatia.
Team profile.